Today's project is figuring out how to install a radon mitigation system. Got this sump pump I put in a few years ago. Runs out. I'm going to run the radon straight out of the sump pump up and out next to where the sump pump dumps. First thing I gotta do though is tear out all this wall to leave me enough room for the 3-inch PVC. I had just enough room for the 2-inch, but this wall isn't really doing much. They've got it all cut off at the floor from when the water was coming in before the sump pump. And then I gotta put an outlet up here somewhere and do away with my nice homemade extension cord from that outlet. So let's start by getting rid of this wall. Now I'm going to take my 12-2 wire, tie it into this outlet, run it over here and put a new outlet in right there. So now I got to get the plumbing side of this figured out. I'm gonna cut a hole where that plug, that bung is. 3-inch hole, or 3.5 inch for the PVC. Then I'll 90 it when it comes out of there, and I'll 90 it again at the wall. And I'll run it up a foot or two, and then put a rubber coupler there, so that way if I ever need to pull up this lid, I can just disconnect the pipe from there, and I'll run it up and outside.